Regeneration felling is commonly recognized as complete or near complete removal of mature trees from designated area, leaving minimal residential stems. It involves various techniques and specific forest types and has both ecological and economic value. Sounds complicated? Let's try to make it easier together. Today, the forestry uses different felling methods. Different felling methods are used for different purposes, but they all have one thing in common, and that is to ensure good and steady tree growth. Today, we will specifically talk about regeneration felling, but first, let's figure out what it actually is.
Regeneration felling is a cutting method in which the main goal is to plant a new generation of trees. When a forest stand reaches maturity, its growth slows down. Older trees with weakened vital functions are more vulnerable to natural damages brought on by weather, for example fungi and insects.
Naturally, the question arises if the tree stand should be cultivated because the right timing ensures the best economic outcome for forest owners and the harvest of high-quality raw material for wood products.
The biodiversity of the forest nature is taken into account in each felling method. In practice, the characteristics of the valuable habitats are preserved, leaving rotation trees and protective thickets in place, making high biodiversity stumps, leaving buffer zones around water bodies and retain decaying and dead trees to secure habitats for protected species.
The maturity of forest stand and its readiness for regeneration depends on factors such as latitude, tree species, and soil type. In Finland, the typical age for regeneration is usually between 60 and 120 years.
Clear cutting is a forestry practice where all trees within a designated area are cut down and removed, leaving the land devoid of trees. The soil is then prepared for planting seedlings or sowing seeds.
Seed tree cutting is forestry technique where a few mature and healthy trees are left standing after a timber harvest to provide a source of seeds for natural regeneration. The soil only needs to be lightly prepared and regeneration occurs naturally over the next couple of years.
It should be pointed out that small-scale clear cutting and strip filling are useful methods for sites with special needs. They can be used where there is high recreational value, landscape planning needs, special environmental targets, or if successful forest regeneration would be expensive and difficult with other methods. Thank you for watching, and remember, don't forget to subscribe to our channel where you can find more useful information about sustainable forest management and how to make a better future together. Thank you. Bye.